Welcome sa ating channel mga kaibigan, na nandito ulit tayo ngayon para sa isang monitor review. So we have here the Optix MAG321CURV. So it is a 32 inches monitor, 4K resolution. So ito nga po yung gusto kong mangyari. Nag-request po ako ng MSI gaming monitor kasi gustong-gusto ko na pong makita kung ano na po ang naging progress ng isang 4K monitor. Kasi the last time na nakahawa ako ng 4K monitor was 2 to 3 years ago. So kumbaga parang yung experience way back that time is very kumbaga hindi ako satisfied kasi 30 Hz lang yung refresh rate tapos 4K pa yung monitor. So alam mo yung feeling mo na pag hino-hover mo yung mouse sa mismong desktop is parang hirap na hirap ka pang makarating dun sa kabilang dulo dahil nga sobrang dense nung pixel. So it's like a regular 24 inches or 27 inches man yung size niya. Kung yung dadaanan ng cursor ng mouse is 4K resolution, kumbaga mas may delay siya compared sa regular 1080p resolution or 1440p resolution pag hino-hover mo yung mouse. So medyo minsan tinataasan ko yung DPI, mga ganyan, just to feel na mas mabilis or mas responsive na yung mouse natin. Pero eto nga, we have here the 60 Hz. Pinagbigyan lang sa atin is yung 60 Hz muna, which is 4K monitor designed for console gamers. As MSI said, ito po ay talagang dinesign nila or kumbaga minamarket nila for those who are into console gaming, which is for me, I think it's good because it comes with this a lot of ports at the back na pwede mong i-connect ang multiple PC and multiple console. This is also a monitor that is designed for PC gamers who are into fighting games, NBA 2K20 sports games, or RPG games, who are looking for details. So more on sa mga gamers na gustong makakita ng mas dense, kasi pag the more na mas dense yung pixel, the more na mas detailed kumbaga yung makikita mo. And then at the same time, for those content creators who want to have a bigger display, at the same time, mas dense na pixel in terms of video editing and photo editing. And of course, there are a lot of considerations before you will use this monitor to that kind of purpose. Pero i-reserve natin yan mamaya-maya dahil yan po ang isa sa mga topic natin regarding this 4K monitor. And yan nga po mga kaibigan, feel free to subscribe dahil marami pa po akong ilalabas na mga monitor reviews this coming days or this coming weeks or this coming months. And also comment down below kung ano yung mga suggestion nyo. By the way, parating na po ang ating 25K PC build year 2020. So it took time for me to kumbaga come up with the proper specifications for this kind of setup. And ayun nga po, i-release at ipapakita ko na po sa inyo ang pinakaabangan at pinaka-most requested PC build. And of course, sa mga ibang may mga request din ng mga PC builds like Mini ITX or other form factor, medyo madedelay lang ng konti kasi wala pa po tayong gamit. So lahat po kasi ng mga nire-review ko dito is syempre minsan nag-cash out po ako, so medyo mabigat din po kasi sa bulsa pagdating sa mga Mini ITX. Pero sana nga may mag-sponsor sa atin para at least maikasa na po ang ating Mini ITX PC build. Okay, so starting with the physical structure of the monitor, it comes with this 32 inches size 1500R curve. And then they are also boasting their adjustable stand. So kumbaga pwede mo siyang itaas, pwede mo siyang ibaba, and then you can also tilt it upward and downward. So ayan po, you have those kinds of functions with this monitor. Of course, for a 20K plus monitor, dapat lang na meron siya mga ganang features. And it comes with this aluminum stand. And also, they are flaunting their features like HDR, night vision, at saka yung OSD application na pwede mong i-control using your mouse. So, ayan po yung mga features ng ating MSI 4K gaming monitor. At a 60 Hz 4ms response time VA panel. So kung VA panel, sabi ko nga sa mga una kong videos, it's not as good in terms of color accuracy as the IPS monitor, pero it's not as bad also as the TN panel. It's not as good as the TN panel in terms of high refresh rate monitors. kumbaga, and response time. Kasi sa mga TN panel dyan po natin makikita yung mga monitors na may magandang response time and at the same time, refresh rate. Pero it's not also as bad as the IPS. Okay, so parang ang VA panel kasi is yun yung parang meet halfway. Kung hindi ka makapag-decide kung saan ba, punta ba tayo sa IPS, pero parang kadalasan kasi sa IPS napakataas ng response time. And sa budget na ganito, kailangan kong mag-shell out ng around mas mataas pa na budget kung gusto kong magandang response time na IPS. At the same time, pag pupunta naman ako sa TN panel, sobrang pangit naman, parang wash out yung kulay. So, if you want to go or settle down halfway on both panels, then you may go with a VA panel. And yes, since it's for fighting games, eto nga po at pinapakita ko sa inyo yung demo. And of course, in terms of fighting games, one of the things that you will appreciate is also the color accuracy or kumbaga yung kanyang display quality. And what we did is to help also the content creators to have an idea if this is a good monitor for them, then we use our Spider Pro monitor calibration tool para tingnan natin kung gaano ba kaganda ang kanyang rating. So, with the sRGB, it comes with this 99% rating. And then for the Adobe RGB is 78%. So yan po yung naging resulta na naipakita sa atin ng ating tool. And then for the brightness, medyo dito nga po nakita natin na medyo alanganin itong monitor for that HDR400 feature. Kasi kulang po yung kanyang brightness na ipinakita sa atin dito sa ating tool. Pero anyway, HDR400 is just an additional feature nowadays. Kumbaga, hindi pa naman siya kumbaga big deal. So kung meron, then okay. Pero yun nga, pag in-enable mo kasi at saka kulang yung brightness niya, medyo cloudy yung magiging feeling mo pag nilalaro mo or yung picture, yung mga characters doon sa mismong game. So, though meron naman silang dinagdag na isa pang feature which is the night vision na depende rin sa inyo kung gusto nyo i-take advantage. So it comes with this kind of display pag nasa strongest, and pag nasa mild naman is ito lang po yung magiging makikita nyo. So it's up to you guys to judge. Kumbaga very subjective kasi itong night vision. So I cannot say if you will appreciate it or not. So it's up to you if you will turn it on or not. So ayun. Pero what's good in here is it comes with those kind of features or bunch of features na very optional, subjective, depende sa'yo kung ma-appreciate mo or hindi. Kung wala naman, okay lang. Kung meron, edi maganda. Of course, for those content creators, out of the box monitor is hindi talaga maganda kung hindi na-calibrate. So mas maganda na pag bumibili kayo ng monitor, I advise na kailangan nyo siyang i-calibrate. So what we did is we calibrated this monitor and we come up with this a bit more warm color. Kumbaga kung general viewer ka, you are not into monitors, parang kumbaga ikaw lang tumingin ka agad and pagkukumpara mo ang isang calibrated at saka uncalibrated, mas mapapansin mo na mas warm yung calibrated monitor. So yan po yung dahilan kung bakit may mga cases tayo na pag nag-edit tayo ng mga photos, like for example, kahit ikaw, typical na nag-edit ka lang ng photo sa Photoshop tapos ipapaprint mo sa kapitbahay mo or ipaprint mo or ipapaprint mo as tarpaulin. Makikita mo na yung photo, yellow-green, pero nung print na, green na yung kulay. So, yun po yung dahilan na dapat sana calibrated. Kasi pag hindi po calibrated, parang wash out, parang flat yung kulay niya. Yung nakikita mong yellow-green, green pala yung kulay nun. So, super green pala yung kulay nun. Well, ayun nga po mga kaibigan, for console gamers, gamers who are into fighting games, gamers who are into sports games, RPG games, looking for mas dense na pixel, mas detailed na gaming experience, then this is the monitor for you. If you are into battle royale games, FPS, shooting games, competitive games, I think this monitor is not that much for you. Pero for these days, having this 60Hz is okay lang. Bakit kamo? 60Hz, 4K, I doubt that the video card that you have can run beyond 60Hz refresh rate. Kumbaga, mamamaximize mo ba talaga kung 144Hz yung monitor mo? Or mamamaximize mo ba talaga kung 120Hz yung monitor mo? So, nowadays, okay pa lang ang 60Hz. Yun nga lang, it doesn't comes with this very good future proof kung you are buying this monitor for the purpose na maglalaro ka ng mga battle royale or shooting games. Pero, if you are into console, well, this is a fair enough monitor for you. Pero in terms of ghosting, okay naman. In terms of backlight bleeding, wala naman ako napansin with this monitor. So it's up to you to judge. As you can see at the camera, makikita nyo rin naman at pinapakita ko lahat talaga dyan kung ano rin yung nakikita ko para at least you have also the chance to judge if I'm saying or I'm telling you the truth, mga kaibigan. The purpose kung bakit ko gustong may ganitong setup ng monitor kasi kung gusto kong maglaro sa 1440p, I will be here. If you will be going for the CSGO games, you will be going for the 1080p. Ngayon, kung gusto ko nang maglaro ng console or fighting games, I may add this monitor on top of those monitors that I have for Tekken. Siyempre, iba pa rin yung feeling kung makikita mo lahat ng effects, ng details pag naglalaro ka, di ba? Yan naman yung nakakaaliw eh. Aside from that, you are winning the match. Of course, one of the things that you will appreciate with the games like that fighting games is yung effects na makikita mo habang ginagawa yung combo, di ba? Alright, so that's it mga kaibigan. Feel free to subscribe for more videos like this and also comment down below if na-appreciate nyo or anong masasabi nyo rin about this MSI MAG321CURV monitor. So you can avail this sa mga suging tindahan. Basta mayroon silang MSI na brand like board or whatsoever, automatically you can order from them this MSI gaming monitor. That's it mga kaibigan. Thank you so much and till next video.